Welcome all. Today we are going to see how to fix Roblox error 524. Okay, let's start. Open Roblox software. Press the three dots in the left side of the screen. Open settings. Select account info. And select privacy option. And change the other settings. Who can make me a member of private server, friends to everyone. So that's all, friends. Also, we have to check one more thing. Close the software and open your computer file C folder and go to user, your name, app data, local files, packages. Yeah, in packages you can find a Roblox folder, and you have to select local cage. You have to delete all the local caches if there is any. After deleting the local caches, hopefully the issue should be resolved. Before next trial, please restart your system and try again. Thank you.